Hi, Namaste, good day, and Maharaj ki jai ho. I welcome all of you guys to my very first devlog video. So the motivation behind starting this channel is to log my game development journey, stay motivated, and get connected to the gamers, developers, and artists in our country. I wanted to start with making mobile games, so this is the first game which I am working on right now. Game contains a simple mechanics where player controls the movement of the ball by creating a path. So in order to complete the level, you need to reach the end without getting hit by the objects which are coming in your way. I know the idea is quite dumb, but you gotta start somewhere, right? I'm using Unity Game Engine and Visual Studio for coding to develop this game. Since this is the very first video, I want to rewind a little bit and show you guys how I joined various bits and pieces to achieve this. So the very first thing which I had to do was to build a path which the ball will follow. Once I had that in place, I implemented some basic animations and a slow motion factor to various objects in the game. I used Kenny's assets to give me some boost during the initial stage. If you don't know who Kenny is, he's called the Asset Jesus in game dev community for providing wide variety of free assets to the developers. I then decided to scrap those free assets and create something of my own. But wait, how? I remember using Paint when I was 12 years old for creating these horrible landscapes, but it won't work in this case, right? So I need to find a new and free solution. बस उसके बाद I searched on Google, followed the creator documentation, and start building some objects. Fast forwarding to few weeks, I exported these assets to Unity and improved the visuals of the game by adding this camera shake and ripple effect. Man, look how satisfying it looks. I also added coins which player can collect while gliding through the level. Along with these tiny grenade launchers, I also created this cool looking trail effect using Unity's particle system. Now who doesn't want to shoot at enemies, even though you are a ball? So just with this thought in mind, I decided to implement a grenade launcher on the player side as well. So whenever the player will double click on the ball, it will get converted into the launcher and it will shoot grenades between regular intervals of time. After I was done with basic implementation, I changed the color theme and built a basic level. And I am thinking to wrap up this game in around 2 weeks and start a new project, basically a multiplayer game, just like Mini Malaysia. I am very much open to any suggestions and ideas, so if you have anything in your mind on how you want the game look and feel, you can drop comments in the comment box. So I'll be posting videos like this every weekend, and if you guys want to come along on my journey, you are very much welcome. And if you like this video, or you are interested in coding, game development, or any of the artistic stuff, you can hit subscribe and push the notification bell. You can also join my Discord server and connect with me on Instagram. I'll drop the links in the description. And thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye, namaste, and stay safe.